How to enable or disable tethering hardware acceleration on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and select testing hardware acceleration. Scroll down. You will see testing hardware acceleration is here. So if you want to disable testing hardware acceleration, so turn off this button. You will see testing hardware acceleration is disabled. So if you want to enable testing hardware acceleration, so turn on this button. You will see testing hardware acceleration is enabled. So you will enable or disable testing hardware acceleration from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable testing hardware acceleration on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.